Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. All of us are a little guilty over our indulgences in this festive season, am I right? And everybody has resolutions to get fit and eat healthy from this new year. But we can't survive on mere salads and juices. This video features a healthy yet a delicious version of Palak Paneer to keep our resolutions going throughout the year. Before we start, have all the ingredients measured and ready. And for the dish, take half a liter of water in a large pan and bring it to a rolling boil. Meanwhile, have a bowl of ice cold water ready. Now the water has boiled. Add 300 grams of palak or spinach that you have cleaned and rinsed. Take off the thick stem from the sleeve and then use it in the dish. Blanch the spinach only for 1 minute in the boiling water and immediately transfer them to the ice cold water, as we have to stop the spinach from cooking and to retain its color as well as the nutrients. You know, everyone has their own way of making this dish. Honestly, I too make it in different ways every time I cook it. Transfer the blanched spinach into a mixer grinder jar and blend it into a fine paste and have it ready. For the written recipe, visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Meanwhile, on a hot pan, let's take a tablespoon of cooking oil or butter or clarified butter. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, an inch long ginger that's finely chopped, and 18 to 20 small garlic cloves, 3 to 4 green chilies that's roughly chopped. Saute it on a high flame for a minute. It's one of the healthiest dishes, you know. Add a large onion that's roughly chopped and saute on a high flame for 2 minutes or until the onion turns pink and translucent. Make sure that the onions do not burn. Now the onions are pink and translucent. Add a large tomato that's roughly chopped. If you want, you can skip the tomatoes. Add salt as per your preference and saute for another 2 to 3 minutes on high flame or until the tomatoes get mushy. See, now the tomatoes are cooked. Cool this mixture and transfer it into the same mixer grinder jar and puree this into a fine paste. Now the onion and tomato paste is also ready. In the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil or butter or clarified butter. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder and a teaspoon of toasted cumin powder. Saute this for 30 seconds only and add the ground tomato and onion paste and mix it until the masala powder combines well into this base mixture. You know, this dish is healthy and aids weight loss, and it's good for kids as well as pregnant women and people with diabetes. It's high in protein and dietary fiber. Add a cup of water to the mixer jar and wash off the rest of the masala from the jar and add it to the pan. Mix it well again and then cover this and simmer on a low flame for 10 minutes. Keep on stirring occasionally as we do not want the mixture to get burnt at the bottom. I use a lot of garlic in this dish because I feel spinach and garlic goes really well. After 10 minutes, add this palak or spinach puree into this masala and mix it well until it's completely incorporated. You know, spinach is loaded with iron and fiber, and it's rich in folic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B2 and vitamin A, and also it's loaded with calcium, magnesium, phosphorus and zinc. Spinach is good for the heart, the eyes, and also for people with diabetes. Because of the spice powders, the gravy looks pale green in color. Add the paneer cubes one by one. If you are using a store-bought paneer, soak it in boiled water for 10 to 15 minutes and then use it in the dish so that the paneer will turn soft. Cover the gravy with a lid and simmer on a low flame for 3 minutes. Now add a teaspoon of garam masala and mix it gently until it's well combined into the gravy. If you're lactose intolerant, you can also use tofu or potato or even kofta balls instead of paneer. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. You can substitute this with fresh yogurt or milk because this will cut down on the bitterness of the spinach leaves and also make the dish rich. If you're calorie conscious, you can always skip the fresh cream. Instead, you can also use cashew nut paste. Please try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. The gravy is ready. Let's transfer it to a serving bowl. Serve it hot with any Indian breads like naan, paratha, chapati or jeera rice even. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified with my new videos. Look how rich and creamy it looks. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe, and until then it's Jeba signing off. Bye bye.